Hi guys, I'm just going to show you today's install. It's going to be a bit of an improvised video at the moment. Me holding the phone and also the engineer is working to my left, just putting the glove box back in. Only reason being is the customer's got to dash off pretty quickly after this, so I'm just doing a Jordan install, but the system's being installed anyway. Just the car's getting put back together over there. Our engineer's bald head there, but there you go. Okay, so this works in conjunction with the original screen of the car. It does it works in like on a switch over, so what you do get with this is a little switch over button that we've installed right underneath here, but it does work on some cars where you hold the info button and the switch it over button. Not on this car today, I'm not too sure why not, but if I just hold a switch button, it just goes over to the aftermarket side. So for the purpose of the video, we've already set up the Android phone to give you Android Auto. Alternatively, if you've got a Apple phone, then obviously it gives you the Apple CarPlay screen. But what the customer's got now at the moment is just a bit of music playing off his phone. There's this Google Maps there, but it does work fully with the touch screen, so just hold that button there and it takes you over to the Android Auto. So just mind the little screws getting put back in. Okay, so this brings over any applications from your phone, which are maps, text messaging apps, music apps, and your phone calls, obviously, so it all goes through the system. Good things about these products now is that you can go in through the original Bluetooth channel of the car. So the old boxes used to use the aux channel where you used to transmit the sound through, but now you can do a setting on this one where you can change it from the phone into the car's Bentley Bluetooth channel, and that basically you get your tuning sound through there anyway. So as you can see, fully operable with the touchscreen. These are all just apps which are on the customer's phone today. 1 second. Go back to that one there. It's through there. It's pretty sensitive, to be honest with you. Yeah, that's just messages. Yeah, so there's not much I can show you to this now in terms of CarPlay Android Auto, because we've got multiple units videos on our YouTube channel showing how it works. But yeah, that's it pretty much in a nutshell. And if you want to go back to the original one, you just hold down the little switch over button and it goes back to the original screen. Yeah, so if you like the video, give us a shout if you need any details from us, or follow the link in the description to the product on the website. We hope to see you soon. Also, sorry, this fits the Bentley Continental flying Spur. Any systems with this size screen here, I think I forgot to mention at the beginning of the video. Okay, cheers, thanks a lot.